Okay, so today I said that I was going to make a video about replacing eyes in Build-A-Bears, and I do it with a Dremel. So you're going to want to unstuff your bear enough that you can get the head and turn it inside out. And then what I do is I take Dremel with a cutting wheel, and I'm going to use that to remove the eyes. Okay, so you're going to get the eye pulled out through the hole, and then you're going to cut it in a T shape so that you can break the plastic ring right there. One important thing about this part of the process is before you start cutting, make sure that you put on some safety goggles, because your eyes are very important. We can't make new ones, and this slings small bits of plastic everywhere. Not as important if you use the bolt cutter method and things like that, but if you're going to use a Dremel like I do, safety glasses, your regular prescription glasses don't count as safety glasses. Just a heads up. Alright. So at this point, I've made the first cut, and you can see you get a lot of plastic waste coming off the side because it does melt it a little bit, but it's cut all the way through, down through this ring. And I'm going to cut across again so that I can break it easier. Alright, at this point I have cut it into quarters, and you can start breaking the pieces off. And if you have problems with this, you can use pliers or something, but usually it just depends on the eye and how cooperative they want to be. But usually I can do this with my hands. And then now you can see that it's coming through. And the problem with this is they glue it in, so you do have to, there we go. Have to get this piece off. Get all this nasty old glue out and the stuff. This piece doesn't want to pop. Oh, well, I can cut that in a minute. Alright, basically, we now have a nice clean eye hole there. This is messy, so I am doing this outside in my garage. Now, as far as with the new eye, we're going to place the new eye in the hole, and then you just take and find the post inside the bear, and they should come with washers, and you push the washer down on it. At this point I recommend turning it over so you can see, especially if you got the cat eyes. This one's not so important because it is a round-eyed bear. Make sure you get your placement where you want it. You do have a little leeway there. And then push the washer all the way down. And now you have your eye in place.